Little Italy of Troy. Every town has got a little early, but they've got the Italian club here, one of the original Italian clubs here in Troy. A DeFazio, homemade sausage and sauce. And right next door is DeFazio's Pizza. You can see here on 4th Street in Little Italy in Troy. And this old school shop, right? This is it. Just got back from Saratoga and I had to come over and check this place out. A bunch of our guys said that they went to DeFazio's, so we'll come in here into the shop first. You see what they got going on. Deli case, cold cuts, t-shirts, famous. DeFazio's. A couple guys up in Saratoga were telling me about this place. All right, thank you. All right, here we go. Established 1989. I think I'm gonna have the wood-fired pizza with their homemade sausage and pepperoni. That sounds like the plan. Here we go, folks. Check this out. We're at DeFazio's. We came all the way down from Saratoga. We were told, a bunch of guys told us that they came down here coming back from Hudson the other day. Guys, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. That's beautiful.
You got it?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
So, John, are you the next generation?
Yeah, you could say that.
All right. Tell me a little bit about DeFazio's real quick, if you don't mind.
My grandparents started the import store next door.
With the sausage and all the Italian imported specialties?
The homemade sauces and meatballs and sausage, exactly like you're saying. 1951 we opened that. My grandparents opened that.
Yeah.
And then the pizzeria here, my dad started in 1989.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the original oven that we put in. You know, my dad put it in '89. So we've been here a long time, and you know, it's just we're still here, evolving for all these years. You know, you gotta evolve with the times in a way, but you know, certain things we've obviously been able to keep the same. A lot of the recipes are still exactly the same, but you know, offering different things along the way, and changing as the market's kind of demands change in a sense. Yeah, so we're happy to be here still. So it's been a long time, but our homemade pastas as well is something we pride ourselves on.
Homemade pasta. Yeah, so you get the puttanesca on the menu over there. Yeah, that's the good stuff. So are you guys Napolitan or Sicilian? Calabrese.
Yes.
Yes, okay.
So for the very
you got the puttanesca in the style of the horror. Yes.
The spicy peppers, the Calabrian chili peppers.
Yeah.
Which we have is really good sauce. The Calabrese sauce is a spicy marinara
And you get the
sauce.
Calabria, the little chilies. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, yeah.
It's in that sauce. It's
Yep.
spicy
Yeah.
marinara. It's really good.
Oh, man.
And then obviously the Fra Diavolo pizza, different pepper, but it's really good, popular pizza. Hot chopped peppers with homemade sausage on it. That's really popular.
Yeah.
Yeah, my grandfather's from Calabria. I've actually been to his hometown. But anyway, but then my grandmother's from so she's from near Naples.
Naples. Okay, so there is the Napolitan.
Yeah.
You got that going on. A Calabrian and Napolitan. Well, listen, you got a crowd coming in, brother. Thank you for the time. Awesome place, man. Yeah, dude. I love the shirts. I see them next door over at the sausage shop. I might have to get one. Okay, here is the fresh Calabrian pepper that they put in their puttanesca sauce and other Fra Diavolo sauce. Look at this thing. Those look extremely hot. I'm gonna go get my Sicilian dry ones out the car. Okay, look at that. That's the Meat Lovers wood-fired pizza here at DeFazio's. All right, so here's the first test. Slice. We're gonna not put any hot pepper on there. They have a patio out back. I'm gonna check that out on the way out. So here we are, right here in front of DeFazio's homemade sausage and sauce, and we got Rocco. Rocco, how you doing today?
Good, sir. What's your name again?
Dave. So 1951.
The store, my parents opened the store in 1951, along with my grandfather. And in the late 80s, I opened a pizzeria.
There you go, man. I'll tell you, you opened at the right time.
I certainly did.
The neighborhood, Little Italy here.
Yeah.
I know a lot of the generations have died off, but you got new people that remember what grandma and dad and mom ate, and I see you got a loyal following.
People, my father used to tell me, people will always remember taste and forget price.
There you go.
And that was his, and always quality, quality, quality.
And you know the thing about it is that the price is reasonable. Come on,
Sure
for a 12-inch Meat Lovers pie,
Yeah.
you know, with a drink, you know, for $20-something, you can't get that in most places. And the crust, man, is right on. Leopard spotting underneath that wood fire.
That crust isn't pizza dough.
Okay, so educate me.
I'll educate you.
Thank
I'll learn
you. Let me. Okay.
I was the first one to bring an authentic wood-fired oven over from Italy in the 80s.
Really? Yeah.
Prior to that, you built them, right?
Yep. You built them in.
I couldn't find anyone who could say that it would last 50 years.
They don't. Yeah, they fall apart, everything, especially the outdoor ones.
So, did my research, found a company in Modena, Italy that made the
Modena, where the great balsamics come from.
best Ferraris,
the Agnelli family.
right? So,
Yeah.
Modena, the company is MAM, M-A-M.
M.A.M.
And they are still considered Italy's top pizza oven maker. And I discovered them in the 80s. And still working.
Yeah, and you know what?
Still working. Like
And
a
it's
charm.
in great shape. You got a great crew back there.
Very
got
good.
a nice mixed crew from the neighborhood, local people. I can
Yes,
tell.
yes.
You know, Loel. They're all smiling. That's uncommon in the restaurant
They
business
better
today.
be. They better be.
No, but genuine smiles. You can tell that
They
you treat them
enjoyed it.
well.
Well, they enjoyed their company.
Now, salsicha. I prepare in a salsicha mano.
Yeah.
So you've been making it since how long?
1951.
Your dad taught you.
Right, my dad taught me, and
Okay.
I make it 4 days a week.
4 days a week. And it's absolutely, and on your own pizza, and using it on your own pizza, it's wonderful. Wonderful.
I would
You know,
only
I'll
use-
tell you.
I would only
Yeah, I can, and I love the shop here. It's so old school. The sausage shop. You come in and you're making some of your own fresh pasta too.
When I brought over my wood-fired oven in the 80s,
Yeah.
I also brought over the best pasta maker.
Oh.
And believe it or not, it still works to this day.
Really?
And I brought it over in 88.
So tell me again about this crust. You said, you know, it's not the
so
pizza crust.
Because I was the first one to experiment with wood-fired,
Yeah.
everybody's crust, local pizzerias that I knew, you know, they gave me their recipes. woodwork in a 900-degree wood-fired oven. Right?
Yeah.
I mean, their ovens are working at max 600, and it's different heat.
It is. I'm running my outdoor one at 800 to 900.
Right.
Look at all that olive oil on there, huh? Oh, look at that. Sausage, pepperoni, and anchovy.
So I'm going 900, cooking right on the floor. So I was experimenting with those old pizza dough recipes weren't working.
Yeah.
My mother came over one night when I was very frustrated, and she said, "Why don't you use your grandmother's Italian bread dough recipe?"
Ah, pan. The
Because
panini.
the
The panino, the
thing
pano.
she ever baked in
Yeah.
was a wood-fired oven.
That's how they do it. I mean, outdoors, especially in
You know
Italy.
the term, now we're cooking with gas?
Yeah.
Those were Italian immigrants who came over and said, "Oh my God, it's gas."
Wood fired.
So wood-fired in the 80s.
So you're not gonna give the secret recipe. You're
No,
not gonna
no.
no. Can I ask you one thing? Using a big Polish or anything like that?
I'm sorry.
You doing a pre-ferment? Will you tell us that at least?
Oh, no.
Nope. Okay, that's what makes it, because I can see that there's a richness to it. It's almost like a freshness to it.
Oh, well,
You
yeah,
know?
it's our ingredients. We use dough from Canada, flour from
The
Canada.
flour from Canada. All right.
And the Canadians, I mean,
Well, now you just told your secret.
Well,
The
it's all right.
Zips are supplying your flour?
yep. And they keep to the old tradition.
The old tradition. I know what you're talking
Right.
about. Yeah.
Non-GMO.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
So it's
How hard is that to get across the border now?
a pain in the ass.
I bet it is. In the 80s it wasn't. Yeah.
Oh, 80s.
Yeah. Especially these guys up in Schenectady and down in the Bronx, they had no problem. Well, listen, Rock, we're not going to tell too many of your secrets because the people that buy your Italian friends will know what we're talking about.
Oh, sure they do.
You know,
Sure they
old
do.
school.
Old school.
Rocco, nice to meet you.
Same here, sir.
Piacere.
Piacere. Ciao.
Ciao. Look at this outdoor patio, folks. This is the back of DeFazio's. And they've got this area here. Look here, they got a little pour bar. This is the classic. Look at this bathroom right here. Isn't that cool? That is so classic. That's like being in Italy, you know? All right. Hey, you guys want to make a travel video? Can I take a video with you? Who are you?
My name's Caleb.
Caleb was the guy posing on the inside for us. And what's your name, brother, next to Caleb? Sid?
I'm Matt.
Matt?
I'm a friend.
Your friend? And
Onat.
Onats.
That's right.
You guys got quite the amount of pies here. I don't want to disturb your dinner, but that's classic. And eating out here, outdoors, al fresco, nothing like it, right?
Nothing.
Right? Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you.
Thank you.